Now calculate the total capacitance between A and B. Here C1, C2, C3 and C4 are the capacitors, they are connected in this way. So now see here, if I assume here A is at plus positive terminal of the battery and B is at negative terminal of the battery. So we can see here this one and this positive, all these three positive are at the same potential. So we can draw actually with them like this, here C1, C2 and C3. So these are the plus and connected together. This point is here A. Negatives are also at the same point here and then they are connected to the C4 here. This is a negative and there is positive. So this combination is actually like this. So these three are in parallel and this one is series. So these three are in parallel, so we can write Cp is equal to 5 plus, that is actually C1 plus C2 plus C3, that will be coming here 30 microfarad. Now these three, combination of these three and this C4 are in series. So we can write Cs is equal to 30 into 30 divided by 30 plus 30. So now we can write here in this case 30 into 30 divided by 30 plus 30 here. So it is here coming here 15 microfarad. So the total capacitance between A and B is 15 microfarad.